So now we are ready to test our tulip petals and rose petals as a pH indicator. We have those buffers, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is our pHs. I've labeled the wells with these pH numbers. We are going to add into each well tulip extract, tulip petal extract, and we are going to add into each well a little bit of the buffer solution with the known pH, and we will observe if there are any colors change. So with the same thing we do with the rose petals. So you can see the difference in color. Rose is such a pretty color. And just going to add a little bit of the tulip petal solution, so you can see how different tulip petal and rose petals color. Now we are going to be adding the buffer, so we'll start from 2 and we will work our way to 10. And now we are adding number 2 to rose petals. So see color developed. Tulip petals turned pink from purple, and sort of red turned really deep red for rose. For number 2, we are going to take number 3 solution. There's still this distinct color. Number 4 pH. So it's lighter. And number 4 for rose. It does become lighter as well. Number 5 for rose. Right, so number 5 for rose. And number 5 for tulip. So tulip's pink color goes with increased pH till up to 5. Now it goes lighter color. And for the rose, it goes from a deep bright red to deeper red, then to lighter purple and deeper purple. Okay, so let's try 6. Moving to pH 9, and we can see how bright color it is. Wow, that's amazing. And for the rose, this is pH 9. So pH 9 for the rose becomes blue. That's incredible. Real magic. Well, that's not magic, that's science, we all know. And now pH 10 for rose is really, really deep. Sort of dark green blue. And pH 10 for the tulip, I'm sorry, is incredibly dark green. So this is tulip, and this is a rose indicator. It worked really well. We're going to test our rose petal solution with the addition of hydrochloric and sodium hydroxide solution. I've added a couple of mils of rose petal solution in each test tube, and now I'm going to add solution of the hydrochloric acid. And you can see the color is bright red, and oops, my tube falls out. And then we are adding solution of the sodium hydroxide to the test tube, and you can see it's purple color. So this is solution of hydrochloric acid to the rose petals, and this purple solution is the addition of sodium hydroxide. Okay, so we are doing the same thing. We are adding, we're testing hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide with our tulip petal solution. So, okay, we are adding sodium hydroxide. So this is our sodium hydroxide addition, and we are adding a hydrochloric acid. So this is our tulip petal solution with hydrochloric acid first tube and sodium hydroxide second tube.